Hello and welcome to Night Out, where Kareena Kapoor Khan has provided us with a fresh perspective on AIB. Within the current scenario, we will have to continue calling AIB AIB and not what it stands for, lest of course we want to be sued or get arrested. In Kareena's case, though, it's the opposite. We will have to continue calling her Kareena Kapoor Khan because the short form of that name would be KKK, and I don't think it's quite appropriate to call anyone that. Anyhow, here's what she told Pooja Talwar.
Well, she's a lady who has everything, so let's ask Kareena Kapoor Khan what's her indulgence.
Well, right now it would definitely be the classic Belgian chocolate Magnum ice cream.
And Belgian chocolate ice cream, looking at you, doesn't seem that you indulge a lot.
I always indulge, and I think what better than, like you said, there are 3 different flavors. I mean, for me, it's like hard to pick which one I want to choose when I'm, having my cheat day.
And also, who's the chocolate in your life?
Who's the chocolate in my life? Well, I don't know. I have a few gems and chocolates in my life. My sister's kids, Samira and Kian, I think they would definitely be my biggest chocolates.
And who's the, chocolate nutty, who's the nut in your life?
Well, okay, then of course there's only one that can drive me nuts, and that's my husband. The Nawab himself.
True that. And also, you've been busy, but also been taking a back seat of sorts. Are you getting really picky and choosy about movies, or are you just taking your time?
No, I think that it's not that. I think after 15 years, one should do exactly like I said, I want to do. And when something I like and I want and something that has really got me, I would definitely do it, And working with Kabir or, working with Abhishek in Udta Punjab, I think that's what's, exciting me.
And also Bajrangi Bhaijaan with Salman. So, everybody's...
On Eid.
It's on Eid. So what was the experience like with Kabir and of course Salman and you have?
I think that people are very excited to see me and Salman together again after Bodyguard especially. But the newness in the whole thing is Kabir. I've done the film actually because it's like when Kabir narrated it to me, I felt the role was strong, and the kind of films he makes is not really what you're used to seeing Salman in, the action, the dance, the comedy. I think that it's a very different Salman in this film, and even the relationship between me and Salman in the film is quite beautiful. And it's because of Kabir, and I'm sure I'm as excited as the audience.
And also Udta Punjab, and also we'll finally, the hit pair or Jab We Met after 8 years.
I know, I don't know why, but the thing is that we all have separate tracks in the film.
Okay.
It's more like American Hustle kind of thing. But it's great to be in a film, definitely, with Shahid, and he has such a wonderful role in the film. We all have wonderful
Very
roles.
true.
So, but we'll have to wait for the release.
You feel he has evolved as an actor, and there's also Alia Bhatt. Do you feel
I know, I feel so bad because I'm the last and the worst person to be answering this because I don't watch so many movies. And I should actually watch, but I know that everybody's doing such great work, and that's why the whole cast has come together in Udta, and they've got such a good cast because the way Abhishek has picked the roles for everybody, I think that's the winning part of the film.
You don't watch movies, is that intentional that you like to keep yourself?
Not intentional, I don't know. I'm hooked onto a lot of TV shows.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you watch AIB Roast?
No, I
Okay,
haven't watched the roast. Sorry, it hasn't interested me as much.
So you have nothing to say about what's happening, the controversy?
No, I think India has greater problems than to deal with all India. For sure.
And also, does Saif have a say in your choice of brand endorsements?
Saif has no say in my life at all apart from the fact that he loves me.
Thank you so much and all the very best. And who do you think will win in the World Cup?
In the World Cup? Virat, India.
And also being the daughter-in-law of one of India's finest captains, Nawab Pataudi, what does Kareena Kapoor's heart says? Who is going to take the World Cup home this time?
Well, like I said, I hope it's going to be Virat, and he makes a great captain. And we've done already so well. So I'm hoping and praying as everybody is.
So who's the Udta Punjab of the Indian cricket team?
Oh God, I don't know. There's so many, and they're all playing so well right now. I wouldn't want to take one person's name. I want to say all of them are playing so well.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.